Guys, you probably can't, you might be able to see me now.
Hey?
So I'm just doing my intro. We're in an abandoned building, heavily damaged, it's ruined. Just on the outskirts of Birmingham, so enjoy the video. We'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed the previous ones because that was a laugh. Here we go. Fucking hell, this place is huge. There you go. Whoa!
Nice
Cast iron.
Fence, yeah. That's brand new, that is.
Fucking nice, that is.
That's a light.
Oh, let's see if we can get the bulb out of that.
Yeah, there's a way connections lot. That's,
yeah, you got some more there, look at that. Trying to do this with oh, haloid. That's coming out.
You put that in your bag?
Yeah. Is that a fucking 3 phase? Oh shit, that's a proper one. Yeah. Unzip one. Are you able to unzip it?
Yeah, hold it.
Yeah, got it. Wow, man.
I'm sorry, but I can't leave that.
Nah, can't, man. I bet it's fucking loads of them. That's nice. There's just so much stuff here.
Hey?
There's just so much stuff here.
Yeah, I know.
And straight away, we've had a few scores.
When I'm urbex and I'm looking around shit, I don't normally take stuff,
but if you see stuff like that, it's yeah.
It's not like I'm breaking something to get it out.
Nah. We don't do that.
Oh, this is an automatic shaker.
Yeah.
For paint. So they must have done paint on that here.
Yeah. Nice. Bloody hell. Whoa.
That's an old transformer, that is. Transformer case, that is. I look like one of those.
Could have been a welder.
The old welders.
Arc welder. Bloody hell. Tin sink? What the? Whoa. There's even more of it back there. Big, man, big. Oh god, I'm fed up of seeing these pissing boxes. Got these at work. Wow. The hell's an old bike tire. Just say that. If you see any welding rods, let me know.
Oh, they're cheap enough though, they are, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, it's a bit trippy, isn't it? They have literally just upped and pissed off. Whoa! It's like a regulator. There's another part of this. Bloody hell.
That would have been a big one, that would have been.
Yeah, I've got one in my pocket. So it's only a baby one. But there's going to be one in there, isn't there? There's another. Look at that over there. I'll check this bit out first. Yeah, another haloid here. Got another connector. Oh, that's a big haloid, that is.
Find another one?
Yeah. Joking. You're going to rip the fly back out of it. What the hell, man? Oh shit, yeah? Oh. Ah. Oh my god. This is crazy. Yeah. Thank God our work boots are bloody waterproof. Oh wow, look at that press. Wow.
Very old, that press.
Beautiful. And that one there. Yeah. Oh, I don't think that's a press. Oh my god, man. Oh yeah, you probably wouldn't want to go over there too much. I don't think there's much there anyway. I'm going to go that way. That pallet's a bit squidgy. Bloody hell! No way! Look at that for a fan.
too bad, isn't it?
It's nice. I like that. It's pretty.
Ooh.
Oh, God, darn,
Wait a minute.
yeah.
Just hold my torch and shine over to me because I think. No, hold me.
Oh,
sorry,
you
hold me
found?
fail.
Yeah. Oh, no. Has it just died?
No, it's not died.
Got hot.
I just felt something pop. I wasn't sure if it was this fucking batch, but it shouldn't have been because it's. I don't know what that was. That was weird. I think it was just due to heat. It just came through the thread.
Yeah.
So, because it's a good make. It's a Claris
Mm.
G15, so it's a
Bloody hell.
good torch. There we go.
Oh, yeah. Lovely. Got it, yeah. Try and do my filming one-handed, if I can.
Hey?
Trying to do mine one-handed with the filming. Oh, look. What are these?
I'm sorry when I'm watching the video isn't properly highlighted because I'm trying to look where I'm walking.
Yeah.
I'm
It's
always
not.
watching the camera, so I do apologise.
It's not easy. It's really not easy.
Especially when you're kind of look where you're walking.
There's so much crap here.
There's a lot of water.
Oh, that is a big ballast. Wow. Look at that ballast. Jesus. Oh. Let's take these ones. Some of them.
Yeah, there's a lot of paint samples, look. So
Yeah.
The little albums.
Yeah.
Paint samples, so they must have done something with paint here. Yeah, it's a really old bulb here.
Yeah, it's a
Flat bastard.
fucking hell. Oh, I know what that is. That's a beauty. I've got one of these at home. That's coming home. It's definitely coming home. That
those
is.
top of the range fucking keyboards, look.
Oh, fucking hell. Breaking, that is.
You've seen these?
Record breaking.
Look at this.
That's like a frame. That is a frame.
Yeah, it's some sort of frame, but it's got these locks on it as well, look.
Just found a carbon
There's a lot of stuff
dioxide
in
tank.
Just a lot of stuff being wasted,
Yeah.
isn't there? Go on, then, come on,
Yeah, yeah.
Shh, quiet.
Oh, yes! Beautiful. Like it. The old T12 tubes.
Slippy.
T12 tubes. So much stuff here. It's ridiculous, man. Yeah.
Share that with everyone. I've just had some touch on my hair.
Ooh. Bloody hell. PL.
Hey?
PL lamps.
What lamps?
PLs. We used to have these in the school where I used to work.
Mirrors.
Shit, could be.
Mirrors, look.
No way.
Yeah, no. Mirrors for tiles.
Yeah, this would shit someone up, wouldn't it, if I was to do this by mistake.
That's clever.
Old vacuum. Can't believe I found a low pressure sodium lamp. Wait, you found a low pressure sodium lamp. It's fucking lovely, that is. Nice light. It's an old Caligas here. Am I right? Nothing happened. Fuck it, I'm going to come out here with loads of light bulbs. I'm just going to pause this, guys. I'm going to put some stuff in my bag, alright? 1 moment, please.